Working on a team project can be frustrating sometimes. Luckily, Git is here to help. With Git, you can make changes, share updates, undo mistakes quickly and safely. In this video, I will show you how to work together on a remote repository effectively. Believe me, you will get it. If you're working on a project together, then you might have a remote repository set up already. And here I have a remote repository called project. And I want to make a copy of this project to my local machine. There are two ways I can do it. If you have a SSH key set up on your GitLab account, then you will be able to download this project without having to enter your username and password. But if you do not, that's okay. You can use the second option, which will require you to enter your username and password to your GitLab account. So I'm going to use this option. I will copy the link, and here in my terminal, I'm going to navigate into the space that I want this project to live on. I put this on the desktop, and I will do git clone and paste the link. What git clone does is that it's downloading the project to your local machine. Press enter. So now, because I have signed in to this project before, it did not ask for my credentials. But if it's your first time downloading this project, it will ask for a username and password. So make sure you have that ready. Okay, now the project is downloaded. Let's see what's in it. And there are files and this flowchart. Awesome. Next, I want to talk about git pull. So let's say one of your teammates made a change to the project. Here I'm going to pretend to be a teammate making edits here on GitLab. And I will save this as a text file. And I just made some changes. Cool. And then I'm going to make a commit, and I will say update. Perfect. I'm going to commit. So now there has been some changes made in the remote repository, but it's not reflected in my local machine. So how can I have access to that? Let me show you. So now I will want to navigate into the project folder. And then I will use the command git pull. Remember that it's always a good idea to pull any changes that your teammate has made to the remote repository before you start, because otherwise the changes you made might conflict with the changes your teammates made. So now you can see that the changes has been downloaded and updated. Let's see it in our local repository. I will open the file, and there are the changes. Awesome. So now it's my turn. I want to make some changes to this file too. So I will say, I'm getting it. Oh, it got corrected. Oh wow. Now I want to save this file. I will close this file and this project. And the command I'm going to show you is called git push. Git push allows you to save your local repository commits into a remote repository so that your updates will be seen by your teammates. Let's do it in action. So I'm going to type git push. See what happens. It says everything's up to date. That's absurd. Let's refresh the page. And nothing has been changed. I know why. That's because we have now moved our files from the modified state into the committed state. Okay, let's check the status then. So I'm going to do git status. As you can see, the files are not staged yet. So I'm going to do git add. Let me check status again to make sure that they are ready to be committed. I'm going to do git commit. Okay, now I'm going to push up the changes. Let's see what happens. It did. That's awesome. So let's go check it out on our website. You can see that our changes are live. That is great. And this is how you work together with your teammates using Git. Thank you for watching.